Hello and welcome to another lecture of Adobe Photoshop training. So in this lecture we are going to learn about the layer styles or blending options. So for this let me create a ellipse here or circle here as you go. So I have created a shape here. Okay. Yes, I like some baby blue colors. Okay. So to apply some layer styles or blending options to this object, we need to either double click on it or select layer and where's the uh, layer style and blending option. These are all the blending options, or we can double click on it and the layer style panel will pop up. So first of all we will focus on the shadows option. That means which settings here can be used to apply shadows on our objects, like inner shadows, outer shadows, glows, etc. So first of all is the drop shadow. We will learn about the drop shadow option. Click on it and you will see a shadow being applied here. I know the distance is very far and we are going to dig into this settings. So first of all, first thing first, you need to select the blending mode to normal in each and every settings here for now. Okay, next is the opacity is the transparency of the shadow, how much transparent or how much opaque you want your shadow to be, and this is the distance, how much the shadow will be far away from your object. Okay, next one is the spread, how much the shadow should spread and what the size would be of the shadow. So this is the outer shadow. You can see here there is an option that is stating that use global light. I will tell you later what is the function of this one. So next one is, after the drop shadow we will have the inner shadow. It is opposite of the drop shadow. Let us change the blending mode to normal and increase the opacity. You can see that there is a shadow over here. Let me increase the distance so you can see it better. Now it is being displayed here because the angle is set to 90. 90 means that the light is coming from here and it is showing the shadow over here because it is inner shadow. So if I change the light to something else, some angle, the shadow will move along the angle that I am creating. And you can look that here it is stating that use global light. Now it's time so that I can tell you what is global lighting. So I'm going to currently set my shadow to, I think, here, and let me create the drop shadow option and check the global lighting. Now you can see whenever I move the light, both shadows are moving. The inner shadow is also moving and the outer shadow is also moving, but I don't want any of these affect the other, so always uncheck the global lighting. No, now when I move the shadow, the drop shadow will only move, not the inner shadow. And same is the case with the inner shadow. Uncheck the global lighting and just turn it according to your need. Next one is here is inner glow and outer glow. So the inner glow means no, I will discuss it in the upcoming lecture. So that is for today, the drop shadow and the inner shadow. These two options are used for applying shadows. So in our next lecture we will learn about the outer glow, the inner glow and the stroke options, that how these options work. So that's it for today. Thank you.